Hi guys, it's your girl Kissy once more, and today what I'm going to make for you in the kitchen today, it's rundown, coconut rundown. So I have some coconut, my coconut here, it's already, I take it out the shell already, so I'm going to dice it up and I'm going to put it in the blender and blend it to get the coconut milk. Some people grate it, but I don't have the time to grate it, so I'm going to blend it, so I'll be right back. So the coconut milk, I blend it so it's in the pot. I'm going to leave it there until it boil and boil down until it come to an oil, until it makes oil. And I'm going to put some saltfish in it. So over here I have some saltfish boiling in the pot. So I'm boiling out the salt or the saltfish. So I'm going to have my saltfish run down with some ground provision. So I have a sweet potato there, I have some green bananas, I have a ripe plantain here, and I have a piece of white yam. This yam is actually from Ghana. It's really good. It's really tasty. And over here some flour and some cornmeal. And as you can see, I have my water here boiling to put the ground provision and my dumplings in. And as you can see, my coconut milk is boiling. So I'm going to let it stay there till it boil, until it turn a custard. Until it boil and turn a custard. And then I can add in my seasoning like my green peppers, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my pepper. And over here my saltfish is still boiling on the stove. So I have my flour in my pan and my cornmeal. So and I had a little salt, so I'm gonna need my flour. Make sure you wash your hand. I already washed my hands, so and make sure that your fingernails are properly clean. So I'm gonna knead my dumpling now. Kneading the dumpling, kneading the flour now. I make a lot. I think this is a lot, but I like when the dumpling left over and I fry it in the morning. Yeah. Look at my dumpling cute and nice. Bad man out and stunting. Yay. Ties them fit like dumpling. Yay. So the dumplings are boiling. Dumplings are in the pot boiling. So I'm going to let it boil for a little. And then I put my yam, my sweet potato, and my green banana and plantain. And as you can see over here, the coconut milk is boiling. And it's turning into a custard. See? So I'm making saltfish rundown. So I'm gonna peel my bananas now. I already put in my sweet potato and the yam. So I'm gonna put my banana in. So I put it in some water and I put some cooking oil on my hand because I don't want the stain to touch my hands. Some people rather put the banana like this, just cut it and put it in the pot, but I like to peel it. So I put in my provision in the water. So my dumpling is in, my banana is in, my yam is in, and my sweet potato. So the only thing I'm gonna put in is my green ripe plantain, because you know plantain cook very fast. So I'm gonna wash my plantain and put it on top. And as you can see, my coconut milk is boiling to a custard and turning into oil. So I'm getting my seasoning ready to put inside the coconut milk. So I have some red peppers, green peppers, orange peppers, some scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and over here some dry thyme. So I'm gonna prep these. I cut them up and then put it inside my coconut milk because it's turning custard right now and it's boiling down to oil. So as you can see, I had some peppers, some thyme, and some scallion in. So I'm gonna let it boil and boil. Look at it. You can see the oil turning oil, and you can see the custard building up on top. And over here, my provision are boiling in the pot. So I add in my seasoning, my onion, my peppers, my scallion, my thyme, and my pepper and my garlic. And as you can see, look at this. Look at this. Look at the oil it makes. Look at this. Look at the oil that it makes and the custard. So I'm going to let it boil down a little, and then I'm going to add my saltfish in. So see there guys, it's almost finished. It's almost finished. So I'm leaving it to boil down a little for next like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, so you can see the custard and you can see it make its own oil and custard. You see? Look at this. So I'm going to let it boil down a little bit more, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add my saltfish in. And over here, my food is already cooked. You can see because of the steam. So my food is almost cooked also. Look at that. Oh my God, this is so nice. So now that it's boiled down to what I want it to be, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. You can put your own seasoning, and I'm going to put some black pepper. So I'm going to add my saltfish inside. A little black pepper. A little all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to stir it in. Wow. Look at that. So nice. Make its own custard and its own oil. So guys, this is my saltfish rundown. So what I put inside it, first I break my coconut. I juice my coconut milk, put it on the fire, let it boil down to a custard, and then I had some sweet peppers, some scallion, some onions, garlic, thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. I don't cut the pepper, I put it in whole. And over here, my provision over here. So what I have inside the pot, I have some dumplings, some white yam, I have some bananas, green bananas, and ripe plantain and sweet potato. So I'm going to plate it and let you guys see the finishing. So see there, let me go down. Look at that. It's beautiful. Saltfish rundown with coconut milk. Look at that. It's yummy. So there you go guys, that's the finishing of my coconut saltfish rundown with dumpling, sweet potato, green bananas, and white yam. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll see when I upload a new video, and thank you again for watching. Bye.